lives a feisty rooster, always looking for a bite. Came home one noon, my sandwich on the porch, that cheeky bird had struck like a thief of the north. My neighbor's chicken stole my lunch, pecked my bologna without a hunch, took my pickle and flew away. Guess it's the price I paid for living this way. Barbecue on Sunday, friends all around. That sneaky feathered bandit was nowhere to be found. Laid out the bread, some coleslaw on the side, turned my back 1 minute, and off he did glide. My neighbor's chicken stole my lunch, pecked my bologna without a hunch, took my pickle and flew away. Guess it's the price I paid for living this way. Jack next door said he ain't seen a thing, but I'm sure he's in on it. They both share the same way. Gonna set a trap with some peanut butter toast, catch that road clucker and he'll be today's roast. My neighbor's chicken stole my lunch, pecked my bologna without a hunch, took my pickle and flew away. Guess it's the price I paid for living this way.